Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today we are looking at what I consider to be the best version of the Xbox ever made. No, not that one. This one. The 360. Yes. Now this is the boy. This is the one I consider the best. None of that waiting for 7 hours once you buy a new game nonsense and all that crap. Very simple, straightforward games console. Put the disc in. Very straightforward dashboard. Bang. Play the game. That's how it's supposed to be. So, this one is not my one. It is now. I bought it. But it's got an issue where it apparently lights up red. Here's the eBay listing. I will put it here. There. Anyway, yeah, so it's lighting up red apparently. So, all I got was the console when I bought it. But, like I say, I've got one of these myself. So, let's have a goose at what's happening, is it? Right, so that's green. Oh, it's gone red. The fan's turning. Right. So yeah, it's knocking it off because I don't want to damage it any more than it might already be. So we need to take this apart, don't we? Our thing is with these 360s is they're a bit of a pain in the arse to get into, because it's clips, it is, and you've got to press them in a certain place and all that. So very dusty. Look at that. Very dusty. So I'm going to clean this up. Clean the fan up. Put new paste down. And go from here. Okay. I'm back. And I've cleaned the heatsink. Got all the old paste off it, which was dry and crusty, and just move that out of the way. And the fan, giving the fan a good I thought I'd given it a good, wait there, look at that, I missed a bit. Oh, it's not on, is it? And I've given the fan a good clean. Seems to be spinning freely. So, we need to get the paste off here now. So what I will use, oh Danny boy, is one of these spudges, and I'll just scoop it off like so. Okay, so we're down to component parts now. Well, not quite, but you know what I mean. So my aim is here, I've cleaned this up. Aim is here now is to try and reflow this, and anything else. Now I have had a look to see how this is done. So what I'm going to do is get my hot air gun. I'm going to take the nozzle off. I set it at 400, but airflow quite low. I'm just going to warm the board up for a minute. So I'm just going to let that cool down now. Right, so the board is cool now. So I'm going to get my flux. Here we are. I'm going to get the air gun again. Okay, so this is now cool. Yep. So, I want to build it back up now. So, this goes there. This one there. Where's that sit then? That one goes in here. That one goes in here. Oh, that goes below like that. Lovely. Excellent. So I'm going to get that case now. Here we are. That's in there, lovely. Just get this ribbon cable in here. There we are. I'll set this over here. Yeah. Right, so I'm not going to go any further now. I'm going to test it. Right, moment of truth. Be a bloody miracle. Nope. Okay, another hour has passed. This is now freezing cold. Right, so try one more time. If it doesn't work this time, I'm going to call it dead. Gone. It's over. It's over. You've got to know when to say enough is enough.
$2,000 years later.
So here we go again. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not holding out a huge amount of hope. Now, I've tried, but unfortunately I am going to concede on this one. Plus, I've run out of thermal paste, so I can't take it apart again anyway. So there we have it. The 360 does not live on. You can't win them all. You win some, you lose some, but there could be a plethora of problems. Word of the day, toilet roll. Loads of problems, and you just keep going and going and going. But it's not worth it now, unfortunately. You've got one of these working downstairs, so this will now become a bit of a parts bin job thing, whatever. But thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching me fail, and I will see you soon on the next video. Ew.